Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reverse any audio using VN Video Editor. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the VN application. After opening the application, you need to click on this plus icon here, and then you have to click on New Project. After that, you need to select one of these videos from the list that is displayed on your screen, and then click on the next button to proceed to the following step. Then, what you have to do is extract the audio from the selected video right here, and now you can see that the audio has been successfully added here. Now, what we need to do is notice that here we don't have an option to reverse this audio. So, for that, what we need to do is export it. Now, what you need to do, let me show you here. You have to click on this video, okay? After that, you'll see an option here for reverse. You need to click on that. As soon as the reverse video process is complete, you then need to extract the audio from this video. The audio will be separated from here, and it will be the reversed audio. So, in this way, you can reverse the audio in any video, or any audio at all. If you only have an audio file, first use any video editor to turn it into a video, just add any image to it and make it a video. Then, you need to reverse that video the same way, and after that, extract the audio from it. That audio will be reversed, because there isn't a direct option to reverse audio in most video editors. So, that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe to our channel.